Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss a major hurricane Beryl that is intensified into a major hurricane category 4. First of all, if you're watching this channel for first time and still didn't subscribe, so subscribe now because this channel will now provide all the necessary updates about USA weather and Atlantic hurricane season. Beryl is forecast to remain a powerful hurricane as it moves across the Caribbean Sea later this week. A hurricane warning is in effect for Jamaica, where hurricane conditions are expected on Wednesday. A tropical storm warning is also in effect for the south coast of Hispaniola, and a hurricane watch is in effect for all of the Cayman Islands and the southwestern peninsula of Haiti. Heavy rainfall and flash flooding are likely over much of Jamaica and southern Hispaniola through late Wednesday. Interests in Belize, the Yucatan Peninsula, Cuba, and the southwestern Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of Beryl. Additional watches and warnings will likely be required later today, July 2nd, or Wednesday. Data from NOAA and Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft, along with satellite imagery, suggests that Beryl peaked in intensity around 10 to 12 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time. Since then, the aircraft data show that the central pressure has slowly risen to near 938 MB and that the maximum flight level winds have decreased a little. In addition, satellite imagery indicates some decay in the cloud pattern. Based on the aircraft data, the initial intensity is set at 160 miles per hour, 140 knots. The initial motion is a quick 285/19ths of a knot. A strong subtropical ridge centered over the southern United States will continue to steer Beryl west-northwestward to westward across the central and northwestern Caribbean for the next few days, and this motion should bring the center near Jamaica in 24 to 36 hours and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico around 72 hours. After that, there is a significant spread in the track guidance when Beryl emerges into the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, due mainly to model differences in the strength and location of a break in the subtropical ridge over the southern United States. Thus, there remains considerable uncertainty in the track forecast during the latter part of the forecast period. The intensity forecast also remains uncertain. There is general agreement in the guidance that Beryl should weaken due to westerly shear and possible land interaction as it approaches Jamaica. However, some of the guidance forecasts a weakening rate that looks somewhat unlikely given the current intensity and structure of the hurricane. The new intensity forecast calls for Beryl to still be a major hurricane when it passes near Jamaica and still be a hurricane when it reaches the Yucatan Peninsula, and this portion of the forecast lies near the upper end of the intensity guidance. There is considerable spread in the intensity guidance when Beryl emerges over the Gulf of Mexico, partly due to uncertainties as to how long the storm will remain over water and partly due to uncertainties in how the cyclone will interact with an upper-level trough to the west. This part of the forecast lies in the middle of the spread-out intensity guidance. Thanks for watching.